My name is Ashlee. For a living, I'm a full-time estate agent down in Eastbourne. The reason I came here was mainly just to get better knowledge of different parts of the property industry. Personally, myself, I've already got a property myself, but I just want to make it that one bit better and also expand it as well. And in the future, learn how to have new property developments and buy my own properties and all that as well.
What have you been learning here this week?
We've been learning loads of different things, how to research, how to do our due diligence, how to make sure a deal is actually good and will actually be profitable, and also learn how you can partner with other people to make a good deal.
And what made you want to get into property in the first place?
To be honest, I don't really know exactly why, but for some reason I've kind of had a drive towards it since 4 or 5 years ago when I was like 15, and it just kind of led me to here, and I love it. I love this course. It's taught me so much so far, so I'm just hoping that I can learn a lot more still.
Lovely. Would you recommend something like this?
Oh yeah, 100%. I mean, if you're interested in property, then this is a very, very good course. You will learn so much, meet so many good people here, people who are starting off that you can, build something together, people that are already in the property industry, that have experience that you can ask questions to, who can help you, kind of pull you up, help you along the way. So yeah, it's very, very good course, and great people around you as well.